start for fun only. can see the swirls.
That lane block the light.
Yeah, the only thing is
That's why I don't use that lane. I don't know anything why I don't use that lane.
I start for fun only.